Hello everybody, I'm 美食姐姐. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a poached eggs. It's best to have a fresh, room temperature eggs. Put a lot of water in the pot, turn on the heat. Find a few balls. Beat each egg into each ball. When water is boiling, add 2 or 3 tablespoons white vinegar. Turn the heat into low position. Slowly put each egg in. The vinegar we put in can solidify our eggs as soon as possible. If you do it like this way, you will never fail. Cover it. Turn off the heat. Cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. 4 minutes later, our eggs are done. Now we can serve. How long you need to cover it, it depends on how would you like your eggs done. If you like them soft-boiled, make it shorter. If you like well done, make it longer. Now, we have a perfect poached eggs. Let's check how our eggs done. It's perfect. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will see you next time.